दोस्तों नमस्कार, welcome in vet school. Today we are going to discuss the fabricated device or modified device to manage the radius ulnar fracture in case of cattle. You can see that radius ulnar fracture, large hematoma here, and we will going to manage this fracture through modified or fabricated device from Iron Man, or you can say the Iron Smith. Here you can see the two iron poles connected with one large circular ring, and here you can see also that pores or holes are there. There are many holes and one screw with nut. This is the complete iron mated device. This is the 35-degree or you can say 30-degree angle in between the iron pole and ring, and these are the again poles. This is flat chip in which many holes are there arranged in peculiar fashion to insert the wire inside it to handle the fracture. You can see the device clearly. These are the wire of iron for fixation of device with the fractured limb. We should cut it through the plier. You can see the plier for cutting this wire, iron wire. This is the indigenous native material, you can say the Newar. This is Suti Newar. Suti Newar is an indigenous material. This is hand drill machine for inserting the making the hole inside the hooves. This is again wire, cutting the wire in small pieces. These are the small pieces of wires for management of the fracture. You can see here how to cut the wire. Lot of materials are required. You can see the cotton rolls, talcum powder, bandages. This is the talcum powder for removing the moisture. This bandage. This is BP blade for Newar cutting. This is the making small pieces of Newar. Afterwards, the covering of hoof and traction should be applied over the distal fragment, and then device should be applicated. You can see here how to apply traction. Large hematoma are here. How to make holes from the hooves. You can see the hand drill will making holes inside the non-sensitive laminae of the hoof. This is the hole making inside the hoof. You should remember that you should be involve this non-sensitive lamina. Don't involve the sensitive lamina, otherwise bleeding occurs. You can also use the electric drill, but here we have this hand drill which is easy to handle and you can take it in field easily. This is the hole making inside the hoof, non-sensitive laminae. Very easy to handle, not too difficult. And total 6 holes in both the cloven foots should be made, and this rotation per minute should be less. This is again covering the device to prevent the injury when this device touches to skin. Afterwards, this making the hole in the lower foot, lower cloven hoof, and total, as I told you earlier, that 6 holes should be needed. This is the lower cloven foot, and as you know, the cattle is cloven footed animal. These 3 holes inside the non-sensitive lamina in case of lower and upper hoof. Afterwards, this application of that talcum powder, it prevents the fungal infection, or it removes the moisture through absorbing the moisture from the skin and make dry environment. This is the management of simple radius ulnar fracture. Then cotton will applied applying this cotton rolls. First applying cotton, afterwards bandages, then that fabricated device. There are so many questions in the mind of the doctors. Is seriously this device is useful or just for that video purpose? So I tell you that this device is very useful in case of management of that tibia and that radius ulnar fracture in case of large animal. Very important device. A massive callus will we have seen in radiographs, as in so many research, and you can see that bandage is applied and then going for application of that indigenous material. First we fix that device with the wire, so that already cutted wire will insert inside the holes, and then managing the fracture through the fixation of this device with that wires. So as I told you earlier that iron chip was there, that chip will fixed with the hoof through these wires, and then traction will applied and fix this fracture. You can see that installing this device, and then these wires will be inserting inside the hole in the chip, and this chip should be fixed with the hooves. You can see easily. This is very simple to apply but needed skills, because if you don't have the fracture principle, how to manage the fractures, or you can say the fracture principles, if you don't have knowledge about it, you should be first read about how to manage the fracture, because traction and immobilization is very important in case of fracture management. So this device will provide the reduction as well as good immobilization, because it does not break even throughout the application time, and large massive callus will form at the fracture site, and animal will easily tolerate it without any complication or the problem. Sometime what happened that this device breaks if the iron bars is weak, or weaked iron bars will gives false result, or as well as you can say that device will fail to manage the fracture. So traction will applied on the wire, and this wire is tied here. This is the traction applied on the wire through the plier, and then all the wire should be tightened here. Always remember that when you will going to tight this wire through the traction, sometime these wires will breaks and difficulty occurs. So apply required tension only, don't apply extra tension. If you applied extra tension, wire will definitely breaks, and it will fail to manage the fracture, as well as increases the time of management, and doctor will exhaust. So this required skill. So you can see here how to tight the wire. This is very easy to apply but needed skill. This is easy to see, but when you are going to apply this technique, very difficult, because you should have the experience of this application. So try to apply in the radius ulna and tibia fracture in case of proximal and distal limbs respectively, or you can say the fore and hind limb respectively. Then you can see here the extra wire portions cut and removed from the application side. And then apply the Nevar to cover the portion. So you can see here indigenous material or the native material, that indigenous Nevar or Suti Nevar. This Suti Nevar provide much stability compared to bandages, so that's why we have applied this Nevar to manage the fracture. So you can see the how to cover. You should remember that so much traction should be applied when you apply or going to apply this Nevar. It should be tight. This is the plaster or POP bandage. After the application of this Nevar, the plaster of Paris cast should be applied over the Nevar and this cover the total device. Remember always that 1 or 2 plaster of Paris bandages should be covered the hoof, because when animal force or apply the overall body portion over the hoof, sometime this device breaks. So you remember always complete cover apply.